Have you wondered how to set up your Facebook business page the right way so that you can be successful on social media using that? Well, stick around because in this video, that's exactly what we're going to discuss. You want access to the show notes? Drop the comment, remind me down below so that we know to get those to you as soon as they're available. Hey, I'm Brandon with BrandonHemming.com. I help home-based business owners build, automate, and scale their home-based business so that they can achieve that dream lifestyle without pestering their family and friends. We do this by implementing proven growth and marketing strategies and leveraging the power of funnels. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to walk you through the steps of setting up your business page and doing it so that you maximize success for using social media. Hey, it's Brandon with BrandonHemming.com. Today we're going to walk you through the steps of setting up your business page so that you maximize social media. Step number one, we're going to come over here. You have to have a Facebook account. Go ahead and set up a Facebook account just for your personal profile. Once you have that done, you're going to come over here. Once you're logged in, you'll see down this left-hand side, you should see something that says Pages. Click on that word, Pages. So what you'll see here on the left-hand side, it says Create New Page. Click the Create New Page. Here, you're going to name it something. And for sake of purposes, I'm just going to name it Brandon Test. Category. You can see that right here, you can have anything you want. So I'm going to write Education. Pick the website that matches your business the closest. Then description. Number 3, so you want to fill out this information. The description is very, very important. Here's something where you can actually add keywords into your description to make it more searchable on the internet. A lot of people don't realize that your Facebook business page is searchable on Google. Okay, I'm just going to put home-based business owners, and what I would do is I would tab down and put in hashtag, let's say sales funnel, hashtag home-based business. You get the point, right? And so these are the things that you, if you want to be known for, what they will actually be searching for. Put it in there. It actually helps out tremendously. And I would even encourage you to, as you do videos on your page, to add those as well. Hit Create Page. Brandon's Test Pages. Now you can add images. And so this is super simple. So on your desktop view, you get desktop views, and you can do these little 2 tabs up in the right, desktop and mobile. I highly suggest, if you are not a graphic artist, maybe reach out on Fiverr, and for $5 or $10, you can get several high quality Facebook business page, Facebook page covers. At the very least, put your cover. I would always, branding, colors, things like that, things that would represent you and your business and what you are looking to do. Okay. I would encourage you to put in your profile picture. Make it a picture of only you. You don't need 15 different, you don't need a picture of your dog. You don't need a picture of your cat. This is business. Have a nice business profile. Even if you have a family member take a picture of you, dress nice. Put a nice shirt on, something like that. Have somebody take a picture, a little headshot for you, and then put it in there so when they come to this page, they see your face. I would also encourage you to utilize your cover for, I'm going to show you a ninja trick too. Your cover photo, if you click on your cover photo, make sure that you put the words "click here" in your cover photo. And the reason being is when you click on that photo, you can then, it will bring up that picture, right? So you click on it says click here, it brings it out, opens it up on a separate page, right? It's like you're viewing that picture. And in the comments, you can take a lead magnet or your website and put it in the comments right there. So essentially you're creating, someone sees your page, and then in there it says click here. They're going to click that. It's going to bring the picture up with that link. That is an awesome super ninja tip that you can use for your business page. It is really, really good, and it works a lot. Okay, so we've got your cover photo put up. We have your profile picture put in there. Just go ahead and hit save. You can add your profile, cover photo, hit save, and it's going to take us through, and we can put in more information as we go. All right, so this is actually what it would look like, and this is how it was set up. So in this big gray area here, I would have that picture, that profile picture of you, and somewhere, some make it fancy. And that's where I say go to Fiverr if you're not very good with this stuff, like me. I outsource this stuff because I am not graphic design guy, and so I have somebody put on there. Just click here. I would also recommend that if you are going to be doing regular Facebook Live videos, like video trainings, as best you can, put on there the day of the week and the time of when you plan on going live. So, for example, if you plan on every Wednesday at noon, you're going to do a power lunch hour, put that on there. Going live every Wednesday at noon Eastern Standard for the power hour. And then click here for more information. They click it, they take it over, they see it. You can create a custom username. This is kind of a common sense thing, but something that like mine is, it's facebook.com/ Brandon S. Hemming. It's at Brandon S. Hemming. So when someone comes in and searches Brandon S. Hemming, it pulls my page up. So it's really, really simple. So then you just go through and you complete all of these pieces. You grow your page by creating a post. It's a whole nother course, whole nother program that I have set up. Your page's identity, right? So you're going to put, of course, here it's asking for the profile picture, the cover photo, which I already told you. You want to complete the page name. Your category is completed. Description's completed because I put something in there for you. All right. Add a website. This is a great place to, if you're changing stuff on a weekly basis, for example, you can change the link going to here. So you want to have your website. You want to have at least a lead magnet page. And if you don't have a lead magnet, let me know. Drop that in the comments. Send me a message, and I promise you I can get you a lead magnet as well. Some stuff that's actually completely done for you too. So, but anyway, website, your location information. Here's something that I would recommend. Don't put your actual home address here. I would put Louisville, Kentucky, or Chicago, Illinois, something along those lines. And for those women, you ladies that are out there, something that I've heard put out there that actually makes a lot of sense. If you live in a small town, for example, put the next nearest largest city for safety purposes. They don't want to be able to search Jane Doe in Podunk, Indiana, where it's very simple and you're the only person named that in that town. Someone could find you. So you could put the next biggest city. If your next biggest city is Chicago, Illinois, then put Chicago, Illinois. Make sense? Just those are little things to think about. It's the day and age we live in. Business hours, you put those in. Your phone number, messaging preference, you could put in here. You can connect ManyChat to your page. I would highly suggest to do that because as you'll see, even in this, remind me in this video will actually take you over to a ManyChat automation. Introduce yourself. So here's a few more steps. Invite your friends. And I'm going to say don't invite just your friends. Invite your ideal clients. Go through and look at your friends and see who it is that might actually have some interest in what you're doing. For example, if you have marketing services and you're trying to market your business and teach people how to market their business, well, if you know that your friend John doesn't have a business, is that really going to be a use of your time? Probably not the best, right? So be careful. Actually take some time and go through it and look at it, because you don't want a whole bunch of, you don't want 1,000 people on your Facebook page, on your business page, who have no interest in whatsoever in any kind of marketing because they don't have a business. They're not interested. It's going to be a waste of your time. So be very strategic in who you ask. So, and it tells you all these things. You can get personalized ad recommendations, more information. Facebook is really good. So you can, if you have a product that you're selling, this is one of those things I probably would, if you're in network marketing, stay away from. Hey, here's my super duper awesome, product. Shove it in their face and have the name all of it, because people are going to go Google it and see what it is and go, oh, that's network marketing, I'm done. But you can post some stuff, maybe a lead magnet, a free lead magnet, something like that, where somebody can opt in and get it. That would be a good thing. If you have appointment bookings, this is a great place to put it too. You could create a section that you can put a Calendly link here. If someone's looking to work with you a little bit more, or they want a question, they want to have something, you can give them a free 15-minute consultation, right? Post jobs if you're actually hiring. And you go, so then all that will be populated down here. The next part of this step is post content, right? You have to post content regularly. If you're posting content on a regular basis, you're going to build your business, okay? And a super ninja tip I've gotten and learned, because on a business page, it's pay to play, right? This is what Facebook is about. You know, they want people to pay for ads. A ninja tip here is going live on your personal profile before going live and doing your video, right? On your business profile. So you go to personal profile, do a Facebook Live, something simple, very casual, and around the topic that you're going to be talking about. And then say, oh, by the way, here in about 30 minutes, I'm going to be having that. We're going to dive into that real deep over on my business page. Give it to them, boom, you're done. It's a really, really cool way of taking people off your profile and moving them over to your business page. Hey, I've got the Insider's Guide to setting up your Facebook business page for success. And I hope that after watching this short video that you get a better understanding of how to do that very quickly and what you need to do to optimize it. And again, if you want the show notes to this, hit remind me in the comments below, and we'll make sure that you get all the show notes as soon as they're available. And we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.